All right, so I figured it'd be fun to do a little POV, so that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I haven't driven my car in a little bit because I had to get the tire replaced, but I got it replaced now, so yeah, we're ready to go. Hopefully the wind is not too bad. I'm sorry if the wind's making a lot of noise. I'm probably gonna start incorporating some of these like POV views in some of my normal vlogs. I feel like it's just a cool little switch up like in the middle of a vlog. Just, you know, on my way somewhere, I just, you know, POV it. Yeah, I got my bag there. That's my camera bag, so I can keep all my stuff together and be kind of organized because I've never really done that. Also, for those of you who know like that I had like a lot of shifter slop, you guys are probably going to be able to see a little bit of that. So I'll probably put a clip on the screen of how it was before I got the car, or when I got the car and then I fixed it and started driving it. But it's still a good amount of slop now. Like that shouldn't be moving that much, but I mean, I can live with it for sure. These ladies are going to look at me because I'm wearing a GoPro on my head. They didn't seem to care that I had a GoPro on my head, so the beanie makes it more comfortable, but it also kind of like makes it look funny. So I'm sure you guys can see it in the mirror. That guy was definitely looking at the GoPro on my head. All right, so we're on our way to Mexico. I don't think they're gonna like me being like stupid, so I'm not gonna be completely crazy. I think some sway bars would be really nice on this car. Like that's some body roll. That is the skeleton of an animal. That was disgusting. Mowing ahead, Jesus Christ, dude. I don't want it to be like a boring POV video because like I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm not like racing or anything. I'm really doing is just driving around and kind of talking, so they do be mowing. Wow, that guy didn't even wave at me. Yeah, maybe this wasn't the way to go. I didn't know they were mowing down here. Why is that car driving on the wrong side of the road? That was really, really weird. God, they're really zooming. I'm so glad to be driving the WRX again, dude. This is not the fastest car, but I mean, it's still like so much fun. And it'll get faster with time. I mean, really just learning on this car, so. Cute house. I'll try to find someone else to ride with next time I do like a POV drive like this, and I'll try to find like a really good fun route. Maybe some of my friends know some places to go. I don't really know. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, I'll probably be uploading more like this. I'll probably most likely be including more stuff like this in my vlogs too, so look out for that if you like this kind of stuff. It's just a little something to, you know, spice up the vlogs and make them more interesting. I know you guys don't like how much I talk. I talk a lot. I'm sorry, I ramble. But yeah, that's been the video. If you guys liked it, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. comment, and share the video, please. That's really all I can ask of you guys. Thank you guys if you got this far in the video, and that's pretty much it. So, peace.